We doing snow? Snow? Yeah? Is it snarling? Bit of snarliness? Oh. Snarmillion. Oh. No, videoing it. Lena, and she don't know.
What that?
And the Snarlinator. And the Laninator.
I'm gonna sue you.
You're gonna sue me?
Yeah.
Alright. And then there's Liam. And Paula. Which Snarl, the back of Snarl's head. So spotty. Where's Lizzie? What's that noise? Is that Lizzie? We can go see what Lizzie's doing if you want. Yeah? Let's go see Lizzie. Okay, come on. Okay. What's up, my girl?
I just stood the fridge.
Cool.
No, don't touch the chocolate, please, dog.
Because the chocolate's alright?
These were both of my chocolates, and I've been there for a while.
Chocolate doesn't really go off, though.
You can have them then. I didn't really like the mint Oreo chocolate.
Ooh, mint Oreo. I like that stuff. Mint Oreo.
I like the coconut one. That's the only chocolate that I actually kind of like.
Okay, then. You're going to eat some?
Not really. I don't really like chocolate that much.
Yeah.
I can only handle like one piece of chocolate.
It's like this stuff's been melted and then frozen
Yeah,
again.
It melted and then it froze again.
Mmm, yummy. Ooh.
And then it's this gross lettuce. And then there's those rotten potatoes.
What?
And then there's this gross
Mmm.
Mary pasta. I don't know what to do with that. So.
Snog dog.
Roof. The G-Force bottles look really nice now.
Yeah, they're a different name. Like the cat's real different.
I like the cat.
Okay.
It's smart. The Powerade ones just make you drink them really fast.
Oh, yeah.
I know. I thought you wanted to catch this. Oh, you could just go over. Now, could you put that water in my face?
Ralphie. This is Ralphie. He's part terrier and part the queen's dog. Jeez, little runty legs. He's very cute though. So he's part corgi. Probably tell because of his stature. Chunky little body. So cuddly. Oh, what are we doing? Where are we going? Go this way.
You can't fly tobacco
Hey?
into the ring.
Oh, these two gonna scrap. I know he's scrapping.
Can I look at that, please?
This is Smudge, the rabbit. She's real happy at the moment. Real friendly. Not always. Here she is. Hello. What you doing? Yep. All good. I'm sorry. Yeah, did I see you? You just want to run away, don't you? I can understand that. Really? Yeah. Stands up. Got a puha plant in there for like a grass, longer grass, and yeah, milk thistle. We call it puha plant. Yeah.
That's my face.
Is he?
Look at Lena's face.
You're just squirming and worming.
Lena's face.
Make a big squirmy wormily
You're like a pirate, Lena.
dogathan. You're a dogathan.
You see, I told you.
Oh, the small dog, dog.
He loves me so much he's been.
Oh, so crazy. So crazy. Oh, look. Just the snow. Just, oh. That round fair. What are you doing, Keith? Kim? Ravaga? Oh. Where's one? Who's it over there? There's the snow. And the Lucy. Dogs are taking me. More. Nugs. You're a mischief. You ain't got a boob in your bag, you got a dog in your bag.
He's cute, eh?
Yeah, too
Your
cute.
internet's worse than our internet. It's normally alright. It's just...
You already have some.
We do?
I think that's a good thing.
Dog
though,
face?
'cause that might be for people that are. I love those people that say that.
Sad.
I'm big boned. Your bones don't look like. It wouldn't be good if your bones were pretty much like where your muscles were. The deal stick. That does happen to people too.
Whoa.
They, whenever someone gets like a.
What happens when you go to the hospital and try and take blood out of you?
They mess it up like 6 times before they get it right.
Yep.
And give you a big bruise.
Do you know why, Lena? Do you know why they can donate on their vein?
They told me I had bad veins.
No, that's not right.
Oh, well, that's what like 3 nurses said.
No. It's because you were dehydrated, my dear. Your veins, when you are dehydrated, your veins are shit.
I can get one more.
She said she's gonna talk to the doctor about putting me on the depot as